For all my subscriber, my name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. So for my subscriber, you have received all the trade levels yesterday, even on text, even on call levels, because I do not have the time to do the video as it was late. Right now I do up the video of all the trades you have received, or all the 5 trades you have received. One has already triggered. That will be New Zealand dollar. Right, let's look at New Zealand dollar itself. On the 4-hour chart, we can see there is a downward trend. Some of you might say that this is a descending triangle. Alright, whichever it is, I've shorted over here. Let us zoom in, zoom down the 1-hour chart itself. Back then when I did the analysis, it have not touched this red line itself, but I was looking to short at 0.7212. Alright, so that will be somewhere over here. Okay, somewhere over here. I'm looking for a short. It went higher, came down. My initial stop loss is 0.7256. That is actually 44 pips away. For traders, if you have missed the trade, or you're looking for another price for re-entry, I actually will looking at 0.7212 again to look for a short. Alright, target 1 will be at 0.7170. This will be my target 1, a total of 42 pips of profit. Target 2 0.7155, slightly below, around 57 pips of profit. And my final take profit level is at 0.7048. So I have to zoom out a bit. $7048 is below. Let's move to forward chart. 0.7048 is this price over here. So by hitting 0.7048, there will be a total of 164 pips of profit. That is for New Zealand dollar, first trade that I'm looking at. Second trade, I am looking at Euro Yen itself. You see there's a break of below 200 moving average. Go to 4 hours, show you a downward movement, and at 1 hour chart, I'm looking at 119.65. This is the price I'm looking for a short. My initial stop loss is 120.10. That will bring you to 45 pips of initial stop loss. Initial stop loss of 45 pips. Target 1, 118.80. That'll be this price over here. That will bring you to 85 pips of profit. Very good reward over risk ratio profile. Target 2 is 118.40. Which is somewhere near the previous low. I choose to exit slightly earlier because I don't want the market to came in and just reverse on me. Alright, and my final take profit level is 117.80. That will be this price over here. Target 2 will bring me to 125 pips of profit. Target 3 will bring me to 230 pips of profit. That is for Euro Yen. Next currency we are looking at is actually pound dollar itself. I'm looking to short at 1.2625. That will be this price over here. My initial stop loss, however, might be a bit big in terms of range and number of pips. If you're not quite certain about it, just don't trade this. Initial stop loss 1.2760. Alright, let me just zoom in a bit and you will see why. Alright, I have to put above the previous high. So this is my initial stop loss of 135 pips. Target 1 is at 1.2482. That will bring me to 143 pips. Target 2 will be 1.2290. That will bring me to a total of 470 pips of profit, and final take profit level 1.2130. Me to 495 pips of profit for this. That's for pound dollar. Last but not least, that will be euro dollar. Euro dollar, I'm waiting for it to retest to come back to 1.0502. This price over here. Alright, and my initial stop loss is 1.0466 beneath the previous low. That will be 36 pips of stop loss. Target 1 will be 1.0594. Alright, I'm waiting to come back down before I long. Okay, I'm waiting for this formation to form up. Let me just plot it out so you have an idea what I am doing. Alright, I'm waiting for it to retest at this level, and of course I'm seeing it, the market will rebound at this price for now. Alright, so target 2, I'm looking at target 1 will give you 92 pips of profit, target 2 1.0690. There'll be this price over here, and my final take profit level will be at 1.1190. So I'd like to take this opportunity to actually explain a bit. Sometimes I have a subscriber asking me, "Hey Rain, how do I know your trade? You are not executing or you're not trading that and stuff like that." Well, you have to be a subscriber. I'm using core levels signal app, so for me to watch the price I'm looking at. So if that trade is no longer valid, I will actually delete it on my side, so my subscriber they will not receive any trigger upon when the price hit those level. That's the first thing. Second thing is that sometimes I have subscribers say, "Hey, you are looking to long at 1.0502, correct? But what if it go all the way to 1.0476, let's say, and it closed below this price? Do I still long?" The answer to that is no, because I'm looking at this price for it to reverse. So if it break below my support level and close below, I'm no longer looking at that. Alright, so if you're only watching this video and to realize that all the trade has taken off, highly likely you are not my subscriber. Subscribe to us only for $10 for the first month. Subsequent month is only $100. This month itself, as today is the last day of the trading month, I have a total profit factor of 3.14, which means every $1 I make $3.14 back, and my profitability is 88.89%. So that profit could be yours if you would have just subscribed. Alright, so once again, my name is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. Have a nice day ahead, and I'll see you tomorrow, a new trading day.